Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special video. I'm collabing with Ryan Lopez. Now Ryan Lopez reached out to me on Instagram. He wanted to do a collab and I'm like, yeah, sure, no problem. I love doing collabs with other YouTubers, especially channels that are similar to mine. And guys, Ryan Lopez has a great channel. He does vlogs, mukbang videos. He also does challenges and pranks, so check out his channel. I'll leave his link in the description down below. So guys, we decided to do a homemade mukbang video, just something we cook at home that's healthy, and I'll tell you guys what I have. I have something here called crackling chicken. I have a paleo book and it had like a lot of paleo recipes, and this is called crackling chicken. I'll show you what it looks like. It's my first time making it. I had a little piece to see how it tastes. Pretty good. Basically, there's no flour. It's kind of like fried chicken, but no flour. But you just it's skin on, bone in. Take the bone out, fry it in olive oil so it's really crispy like that. And yeah, and then I have some broccoli to go with it and some salad. This salad is very simple, just lettuce. There's some cucumbers, cabbage, and peppers and beets. So yeah, let's get this video started, guys. Alright, this chicken's really good. I really like this chicken. And it's crispy too. Oh yeah. This is good, guys. I would definitely make this again. I love this paleo cookbook. I mean, another recipe that I really liked as well. This one's really good too. Really good. Chicken's very moist, crispy. As a type blood B, you're not supposed to have a lot of chicken. Chicken doesn't go well with type B blood. So I try not to eat a lot of chicken, but it's good to have chicken every so often. So actually, I don't think it's good to have a lot of everything. If I have too much meat, guys, my stomach gets really bloated. I'm going to say beef, not meat. God, it's so good. Oh, yeah. I would definitely make this again. All you need is chicken. Olive oil, that's all you need. And a spice. I wasn't sure what kind of spice to get. In the book it says magic mushroom spice. So it's at Whole Foods today. It's called bone sucking chicken. Sauce chicken. Have you guys ever had this before? It costs like $5.99 at Whole Foods. It's pretty good. I mean, I think it tastes really good. It's so good. Oh my god. Let's try some of the salad. I don't know if you guys can tell. I had a little haircut today. I said an inch. She cut the layers as well. Looks like it's a little bit curly over here. I think I still want it a little bit shorter. So I think I look better with a little bit shorter hair. But simply better. I look so much better with shorter hair than long hair. Ugh. But it's so much better than it was before. Today, guys, guess what? I filmed a mukbang video on. I went to 7-Eleven today, guys. Oh my god, I love Trisha Paytas's 7-Eleven mukbang videos. So I wanted to do it. And, yeah. Got myself a hot dog and a couple of snacks. I did feel a little sick or a little bit not well afterwards. Maybe it's the I don't know, but the hot dog was really good. It was really good. If I eat a lot of fried food or like saucy cheese, my stomach can't tolerate that very well. So I was trying to get something that was slightly healthy, but I thought a hot dog might be good. It was pretty good, actually. I'm going. Because guys, after a while, once you do mukbang videos, you kind of go to the same place, to the same restaurants, to the same food. But 7-Eleven, it's different. So, it's good though. It's very healthy. Yeah, I consider this very healthy. So yeah, hope you guys are having a good day today. Do something fun. I don't know if I should save the chicken for last. Maybe we'll have one piece of bite. One bite, and then like... Do you guys ever like, if there's a food that's really good, save the last piece for last? Do you guys ever do that? Chicken is so good. Oh yeah. I love it. I love it. Can't think of anything else to say, guys. Huh. I don't know. Oh, I know. I was gonna go to A&W today and try a burger. But the A&W I have in my area is an A&W/KFC. And I just wanted a single burger with less than tomato. I didn't see that option. I only saw double burgers. Or just a burger with like ketchup, mustard. And the lady took forever to get to me. Like she was packing up. She helped the customer. I was next. Didn't help me. Then she was packing a KFC order for like 5 minutes. And she was, I don't know. I was like, you know what? Maybe it's a sign to go to 7-Eleven. Because my first hunch was to go to 7-Eleven. But I couldn't find it. Then I went to, that's like, you know, maybe I should go to A&W. Because I was really craving a burger and onion rings. Because I never had that burger and onion rings from A&W. And then, but I don't think they had the full menu. Because it was half KFC, half A&W. So, I decided, you know what? She's still not helping me. It's been 5 minutes. I think I'm just going to go to 7-Eleven. But, I don't know, guys. If you've ever been to A&W in the United States, is it really that good? I heard people in Canada say it's really good, but food in Canada is not as processed, so maybe that's why it tastes better. I don't know. I'm just curious. I mean, I guess I could have got a double burger, but with lettuce and tomato, but I don't know. I didn't think I would eat that much. I think the burger looked really big. I wasn't sure if I would eat that much. So. Right. Eat the rest of this chicken because it's my favorite part of this meal. I guess this is part of the bone. I thought I cut the bone off. Or something. Here's the crispy skin right here. Mmm. Oh wow. That's so good. It's really good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that meal. Hope you guys enjoyed that healthy dinner mukbang video. It was amazing. I just love when I eat healthy and my body just feels great and vibrating, full of energy. Alright guys, go ahead and check out Ryan Lopez's channel and let him know that Eat with Karen sent you. And yeah, I'll leave the link to his video in the description down below, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.